In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your Capcut quality, ensuring that your videos look as crisp and professional as possible. Whether you're a seasoned editor or a beginner just diving into the world of video editing, maintaining high quality output is key to captivating your audience. So let's get started with these simple yet effective tips. The first and arguably most crucial step is to use high quality clips during your editing process. Aim for footage that is at least 1080, but ideally you want to be working with 2K or even 4K resolution clips. This initial choice lays the groundwork for a superior final product, as higher resolution footage provides more detail and clarity, giving your project that polished and professional edge. Remember, the quality of your output can never exceed the quality of your input, so choose wisely. Once you've got your high quality footage ready and edited to your satisfaction, it's time to export. You'll want to tap on the export icon located at the top right of the Capcut screen. This will lead you to another menu where you will see an option called Export Options. Here is where you can fine-tune the settings to ensure maximum quality. Next, within these export options, set your resolution to 4K and your frame rate to 60 frames per second. By selecting a 4K resolution, you're maximizing the clear visual detail in your video. Setting the frame rate to 60 FPS ensures your footage runs smoothly, capturing all the nuances of motion and reducing any unwanted choppiness. This configuration is particularly valuable for videos that involve fast movements or transitions, resulting in a seamless visual experience for your audience. If your device supports it, make sure to turn on HDR, which stands for High Dynamic Range. This feature enhances the color range and highlights in your video, making the imagery richer and more vibrant. HDR brings out the best shadows, midtones and highlights, making your project pop with a more cinematic feel, especially when viewed on compatible displays. Finally, with all these settings optimized, proceed to export your project. Depending on the length and complexity of your video, this process might take a little time, but the high quality results will undoubtedly be worth the wait. A helpful tip to keep in mind while editing is to always maintain the original clip quality. Be cautious with zooming in too much on your clips, as it can degrade the resolution. Similarly, try to minimize the overuse of heavy filters and effects, which, although enticing, can sometimes compromise the sharpness and clarity of your video. By keeping these elements under control, you ensure the best possible output. With these steps, you're all set to significantly enhance your Capcut video quality. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you take your video editing skills to new heights. Happy editing!